Hi guys, welcome back to Life as We Own It. It is Sunday night.
You have lighthouse.
Okay, thank you.
Just watch out for that female.
We are just here on the beach for a sunset stroll. You can
Mommy, did
see
you say
the
sun?
Yeah, look, the sun
basically
is
just
going down.
set now. The wind is nice and cool, so
Mom
it's
said
still very good outdoor weather. We went for brunch today with friends. And we sat outside on the terrace. It was lovely to sit outside at the restaurant, but at around 11 we were like, no, it is becoming a little hot now and we are going to call it a day with the outdoor activities. So we just continued with a nice drive along the coast and everything, and now we are taking a walk. The last time we really spoke to you guys was about 2 weeks ago when we did our live. It's been a little hectic with Caden's birthday party that we had this weekend, and it was his birthday on Wednesday.
Just so much things going on, this whole thing.
Yes, we have quite a few things that we are just sorting out. We're not really ready to talk about everything we can, but just a few things going on that we need to take care of. So yeah, our weekends are pretty busy. I know when we spoke to you last, we promised very exciting things coming up, and we promise next weekend there are going to be happening a few of those things that we talked about are going to start taking place. We already have Saturday completely set aside for something that we want to be doing for a few weeks now already, and that we will finally hopefully have time for. Yeah, we are here at a beach. There's supposedly a shipwreck.
See, you can see the ship.
Oh, okay, it's very far. The camera's not going to pick it up, but I'm going to flip us over now and let us enjoy some of the other views. Don't know what this is. The water pushed up against the sand here and made this. What? A little cold, but we're just enjoying the view. It's cold, eh?
A lot of shells. Yes. The moon, yeah.
It's been a lifelong dream for the both of us to be able to live near the ocean. So we are not as close to the ocean as we would like to be currently, but we are about a 20-minute drive from a few beaches. So we really enjoy just coming out and spending some time on the beach, whether it's just taking a walk or coming to have like a beach morning or beach afternoon picnic.
Look at the shell.
Caden hasn't always been the biggest beach fan. The sand was a bit too much for him for a long time. But yeah, he's really starting to enjoy the beach now. And as we mentioned before, it was his birthday, so at the end of this video I'm just going to insert a very short clip of us singing to him on Wednesday, and short, I don't know, maybe just a few photos of Saturday. I don't really want to share the other children because I don't know if all the parents would really approve of it.
Yeah.
But we're just going to take a walk now. Yeah,
Maybe put a
it's
photo.
quite windy. I don't know how much you can hear. I contemplated whether I should bring the mic or not. Then I didn't.
You're a bit sick.
So yeah, we're just going to take a walk now on the beach and then head home again and start another week again. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed to our channel and who are watching our videos. I know it's been a little slow this past 2 weeks, but it's not usually the case. Just had a few things that we had to take care of. It took a lot of time and energy. So when we had time, we didn't really have energy to.
I must say, like everyone knows, the personal life gets forced. It's really difficult. It's not that we don't want to put out content. It's just that it's just, like we really enjoy hiking. And we want to go hiking again. But we just didn't have time. These past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we really didn't have time to go hiking or to put up content.
And when we had time, we really didn't have energy.
So it's not that we don't want to. It's like it's really, really, really busy. And but yeah, we'll put out content again. I found a nice place to go hiking or fucking. It's also up a mountain, and yeah, we'll put out a few things again. It's just, yeah, it's not always easy.
But we still do enjoy it. It's not a
we do
burden.
enjoy it.
We do enjoy it, and we try to do our best to have best of both worlds, to put out good content and to focus on the memories that we're making and everything. So yes, that is us.
See if we could.
Thanks for watching, and
have a good, have a blessed week. And sorry, bit of bad knees. Can't climb up this high things.
Yeah, I hope everyone has an amazing week, and we are looking forward to sharing something exciting with you next week, Saturday or Sunday. Bye.
There ain't nothing that I did